This is Josh's Prado, and it's been modified, which is a real shame because my goodness, it was a good car. It was mine before that, and so yeah, done a bit of roof racing. So we're in the middle of trying to repair it. You're going to jack that out now, Josh? He can jack that out, don't you reckon?
I just fill it with bog.
And just bog? I've got a few extra tins of bog. All right, we'll just jack it out, man. She'll be right. And yeah. So front's okay. Look at that. You wouldn't even know. Perfect. One corner. And, yeah. So anyway, so that's it. So she's a little bit bruised and battered. Oh, there you go. Anyway, that's a serious shame because that was a seriously nice car, and no rust. All right, good luck with this, Josh. We might repair it. You'll get to see how we do that.
Alrighty, day one. Just cleaning out all the glass, all the crap that was in it, just so it's a bit easier to work on.
Hey?
You're not meant to advertise there. Just so we can...
You want a crap driver he is?
I didn't crash this, this wasn't me. But, got to start somewhere, so we'll start by cleaning it out a bit. So this is the donor.
Yeah.
We have to put it on its wheels so we can get it towed up. Isn't that right?
Yep. Put it on its wheels, put it home, and then you've got a lot of work to do. Because I'm too busy working on my ute. Sorry, Josh.
It's all right. I won't edit a video together until this is done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blackmail will get you everywhere.
Anyway, we're after the body. The body's good. I guess we get cracking. Well, she's here. It's a bit exciting. Can finally start work. So, at this stage, we're unsure if we're going to use the body on this one and put it on the other Prado, if we're just going to rebuild this with all the spares on my Prado. It'd probably be easier just to rebuild this. But me and Andrew will tow it up to the shed and have a proper inspection of what's going on with it and clean it out. There's a lot of spares. Just make an assumption. This one is a slightly newer model. It's a 2002. My one's a 2000, but my one's a Grande. This one's just a normal one. So yeah, I think we'll end up rebuilding this. So we're not really repairing the other one. We're just more restoring this one. And it'll keep it easier that way. But yeah, we'll see how we go. I'm pretty excited to get onto it. We'll see how long it takes, eh?
This is one poor car towing the next poor car. Yeah. Well, it's got no windows, Josh.
No, it's buckled in. It's just...
All right, we'll be right. So what we're going to do is just tow that up. Just going to unbolt, well, all the good bits off that to get that one up and running again. And, yeah, so that's about the size of it.
Might need to bring it back more. So the question is, we're not really repairing that Prado, are we? We kind of misled people a little bit.
No, I'm going to use parts off that, or you are.
But that's going to be the...
Okay. We'll probably have to redo the regos. I think it's a drag.
I'll get it to New South anyway. Anyway, it's exciting. He never replied to my message, the tow truck driver.
Didn't he?
I just sent him the details saying,
Yeah, well,
do it when you can.
They're not great conversationists.
And the next minute, he's like, oh yeah, I'll be here in a minute.
He doesn't. He doesn't. Yeah.
You know what?
Well, that'll be good. We need to cover that engine up, Josh. I'm going to try and fix it.
Yeah.
Because I reckon it might be a better engine than yours.
Done less Ks, done half the amount of Ks.
Yeah, that's the reason.
So,
So anyway, it'll all come out in the wash because at the moment we haven't assessed anything. It's just turned up 10 minutes ago, and now I know Julie, who's my wife, is going to love this. But it won't take long. I mean, how long is it going to take? Because it's all nuts and bolts. There's no work in it.
okay, the first job is we need to clear this out. This has got piles of bits that we need to take out and store somewhere so we can actually find out what's going on. And we're still unsure what we're going to do, if we're going to repair this or what the go is. So, but yeah, it's full of everything. So first step, let's get it, let's clean it up.
Okay, that's the top of number...
Take the sump off, you'll see daylight down there.
No, that's the ring you're looking at.
No, it's like, oh yeah, I thought it would be on that.
That's the top of number 2 piston. I think it's number 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know how they work. But it's gotten so hot. I'll show you something. Here it is.
It's melted. The piston's actually
No,
melted.
I don't think it's melted. Although I don't know, maybe.
I think that is. I think that's part of the piston.
No. That's where it's had something's let go. Something's gone into this. Oh, you may be right. Look at this. I've never seen anything as bad as this with this style of engine.
That bit of the piston is all cracked away on the other side. So it's like that's the leftover.
Well, the debris. See that belongs to where is it?
Yeah, there.
It's come off, and it's actually melted in the engine blocks. It's got so hot it melted. So my thought is that it's actually a piece of the piston has gotten so hot it's just come adrift, and so it's destroyed the engine.
All right.
She must have had a big miss in it. Well, Josh, it's time for a cup of tea and a biscuit.
You got. I'll call you.
I got the engine out, which I was hoping we could get going and fix because it's done a lot less Ks than his old motor. Having said that, this one was cooked, melted the piston down, we think, or it got some debris in there, whatever. Piston's gone, bores, cylinders gone. I don't know if what the story with these engines are. If they're worth rebuilding. I think we better put an LS motor in this.
Yeah.
What do you reckon?
You got.
Sorry, I used to be able to do that. I should still be able to do that.
You got grease all over your nose.
I got grease all over my body. I've been lying under the car and doing torque converter bolts.
So.
There's a hole there. Don't you reckon an LS would look good in there?
It'll look real good.
Yeah? Fit like in a golf bag, Josh.
Anyway, this is our improvised shade cloth.
Anyway, I reckon you've got enough footage for a video. Meanwhile, my ute is suffering without work.
Oh, come on, there's plenty of work on that.
And,
there's lots of work done that I've filmed.
so now what we're going to do is basically pull all the good stuff out of the other car. The hard part is the other car is actually drivable. Well, mobile. Mobile? Running, and you can put in drive and go R for race, D for drag.
Yeah, they're not
L
really.
for lay rubber, P for pass.
All right. That's a successful day anyway.
It is.
All right, let's sign it out.
Yeah, CQ over and out.